Now we will add social links. You can add all of your links here. I will do it later. Alright, now save. Alright, let's get back. View change log. Higher store activity log. So these are the store activity log that you can check. Alright, these are the change log. All the changes that have been introduced by Shopify will be available here. And hire Shopify partner. These are all the Shopify partner services that is available. If you want, you can have it. Or alright, now back. So I think it's done here. Store setting, set shipping rate. You can set the shipping rate for both domestic and international audience. Alright, if you want to keep all the local rates free, then you can do that. And if you want to add international rates, you can do that as well. And they have already provided the standard rate, so if you want to change it or add your own rate, you can do that as well. Alright, customers in international won't be able to check out because all the countries region are in an inactive market. To activate the market, go to markets. We will go to markets and we will make it market. Save. And Shopify payments is required to manage base currency and enable local currencies. We will add the payment gateways here. Alright, Shopify payments. Log in to set up Shopify payments. Alright, you can activate PayPal. Alright, you can my Shopify has been added in the my PayPal has been added in the payment gateway. You can also add other payment methods. Now this is social sharing image preview. When you share a link to your store on social media, an image is usually shown in your post. The one will be used if another element can. So this logo is shared when you link your share of Shopify to the social media. So choose the image wisely, and this is the Google Analytics. And this image I have chosen for social sharing image preview because I want everyone to know about my logo. All right, so I think I find this image relevant. You can use whatever image you want. You can use your own image as well. So save it first. Now we will set up Google Analytics. Guys, if you want to increase your visibility on Google, you have to have this Google Analytics. So we will install it, right? You can check the information, all of the information that is required, and then install it. All right. Marketing events tracking, you can all do this with Google Analytics. For your SEO visibility increase, you can use Google Analytics. It is a must thing. No, now connect it. If you don't have any account in Google Analytics, make it first and then connect it with your Shopify account. All right. If you want to increase your SEO visibility, Google Analytics is a very efficient tool, and search history and search history priority is also dependent on your SEO. Google Analytics. Why is it not connecting? Something is not working. It's not connecting. Okay. My YouTube account is not connecting, so yeah, there is something problem in the service. So let me try the other option. I will choose the Gmail account. All right, with this. I will choose the Gmail account. With this, my all the social media platforms will be synced with Google Analytics. Yeah, you can see that. Click on allow. Yeah, one step is complete. Second, turn it on. Emails from Google and YouTube app. You will get all the notification regarding your analytics. And this is the property. This is the measurement ID. It is very important to connect with your apps, all the website, not only with Shopify, with other website as well. All right. So it's done. So these are steps I need to complete. I will do it later. All right. I am doing it one by one. And this is the Google ad account, and it should be connected to your website. Each and every website, it should be connected. I'm creating the online store one by one. It is halfway there, and when it is completed, I will definitely show it to you. All right. Now, homepage title. What should be your homepage title? You should add one, a catchy one. So I have chosen this Elysian Beauty makeup that enhances, not masks. And then is homepage meta description. So choose according to the business model, your business model. I have chosen it according to my vision and mission of my business, then save it. All right. Now there is redirect your URLs. Set up redirects. So you can redirect your URL, like if you want to redirect your URL from shop or product page to the home page, or from home page to the about us or contact page, you can do that. All right. The original URL that you would like to forward visitors from, usually this is an old page the visitor can no longer access because the content was moved to different URL or deleted. If you have any content in your website that you want to delete, that is no longer of use, or if you have changed the position, you can redirect your URL for that. Like if you change the position of your products in from home page to other pages, you can do that. Now domain, I have already told you, like you can buy domain, you can connect already having, you can connect your website domain, other website domain to with that. So this is the get the point of sale app. I think this is to give yourself an app of Shopify. So scan the QR code or send yourself the link to get the app. The pose app is where you will make sales, accept payments, and look up for the customer info. So we will send the download link and we will go to the Gmail. Yeah, so this is the, through this link you can get the Shopify app and sales through the Shopify. All right. Staff. Point of sale. Where do you want to sell in person? At fair, markets, and pops. I will select both. Are you currently selling through any post platform? I don't think so. I'm not selling in person yet. This is hardware accessories. In this section, you can find detailed information on wide range of POS hardware including MPOP printer, card readers, card drawers, barcode scanner, label printer, receipt printer. These are the hardwares. If you want to buy them, you can use that if it is required by you. So these are the location where you can find the hardware. All right. Streamline in-store operations with Post Pro. Get serious about in-person selling with here. These Post Pro features designed to help you run your business like a pro and included in your trial. So this is add post staff. Add your first name,